सा फ़र्क है, कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फ़र्क है, एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि ज़िंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगज़ीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगज़ीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फ़र्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फ़र्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल ज़मीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फ़र्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानपुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और सातवें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to all the dear friends. Franchise India team welcome all of you to yet another very informative edition of the Business Opportunity over Chai. It's a digital representation of the business opportunity which we are bringing for all of you. It's a 45-minute session. First, we'll take you through the entire presentation of the brand. Then we'll move towards the panel discussion. Hence, we request all of you to share your queries, feedback in question and answer box. Franchise India is helping day in, day out all the investors in getting the expert advice, business solutions, and franchisee suggestions from our side so that you take a right and a conscious decision of selecting the perfect franchisee for yourself. It's our privilege to invite and welcome the team of WK Live. Yes, that's the brand we are representing today through this webinar. It's the fastest growing retail chain in the world. They have a beautiful stores all over India as well as I will say all over globe. Established in Hong Kong, started with only mobile accessories. Now they have expanded their full range of smart life products. And today we have invited Mr. Gaurav Dabas, a very successful serial entrepreneur, to talk about this initiative, this business opportunity which he has got for us. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for sparing time today from your busy schedule and joining us today for this webinar. I also welcome and invite Mr. Rohit, partner in WK, as well as Shiv, to share their vision, mission, and their plan with WK Life. So thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining in today. May we request to have a start from your side?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Archana. Thank you for the introduction. I just like to share the screen with you guys.
Sure.
Is it visible to all, Archana?
Gaurav, we can't see.
Okay, just a second. Share screen. Desktop, yes.
Gaurav, you need any assistance from our side? I can share my screen.
You have the presentation and the video with you?
I don't have the video. I have the presentation.
You don't have? this is the video. I'm sorry about this delay. Just, I think we should be there in a minute.
No
Less than a
worries,
minute.
Gaurav. We understand the technical problem. No worries at all. So by the time you take us through the entire presentation, may I request Rohit, maybe probably he can brief us about WK Life.
Hi guys, how you been? I'm sorry I broken my hand, so today Gaurav will be talking more. Hi guys, how you been?
Too close.
Hello?
Gaurav, let me share my screen with the presentation. Later on, we can have a video. Is this the presentation you wanted to start?
Is it now? Can you see this presentation?
No, we can't. If you want, I can share my screen.
All right, Archana.
Sure.
You have the presentation. You have the video.
I do have the presentation. I don't have the video, but let's start with the presentation first.
No problem.
You are able to see my screen, right?
Absolutely.
Sure. Just let me know when to go next.
Oh, really? That will be. So keep on going next, because this is just 15-minute session. Otherwise, we take at least 30 to 40 good minutes. And after this session, Shiv will be taking over with all the camp and all the associate managers with us who are live, and he can take it in details. I'll just brief the brand. So Archana, I'm addressing you because you are only audible right now here. WK Life, what it is all about, why we got this brand in India, what was missing there in India, and what took us to take this step to bring this brand in India. So there was a huge vacuum which was there for millennium market. Millennium people who has a high aspirations, but they have some budgets constraint to buy the products, and they really need a good quality with a trust of a brand, a good brand which can provide them guarantee and warranty on the products line. That means the value for products, value for money. They go for the brand like those. So this was something which was missing in India big time. So what we saw in this brand was there were more than 3,000 SKU, more than 500 categories. This is what really inspired us to bring this brand in India. Yeah, can we go to the next slide? Yeah. So this is, as you all know, this is founded in Hong Kong by Remini Industrial. This detail we can always share with you. This started in 2008 actually, this brand, and by 2013 they designed their own store because they understood that with this kind of range, with this kind of more than 3,000 product range, they cannot justify to be in shop. So they created their own stores across the globe. So today we have more than, I think, 1,000 stores under 60 countries. 60 countries globally in coming in last 7 years is a big footprint, strongest footprint, I would say. And in India, we have already opened 14 outlets so far, successfully running in last 2.5 years. Can we go to the next slide? Yeah, this is the story. Started in 2008, 13 we launched. Then by 2018, we came to India. Next, please. So about the products. All right. So what range we are catering? What products? We started with only gadgets and mobile accessories in India in 2018. But we realized there is again a very huge vacuum which is available for lifestyle. People want to buy the lifestyle, especially the millennium wants to buy the lifestyle products, but they are not available. They are not available in India with the right price range, with the right quality. Either they are very low, very inferior quality, which is available in India, or there is an extremely high price brand products which are available in India. What we are charging for is not the brand. We are charging for the quality of the product. I'll just showcase few products which are lying over here. So just have a look and the feel of the product. So this is high end, high quality stainless steel 304 grade comes with, as you can put your hot or cold water inside and it remain constant throughout. So this kind of products as a lifestyle products comes with this kind of packaging. If you see the kind of packaging they invest on, it's totally international looking packaging, which is impulse. I mean, people who enters in a store, trust me, they go for, I mean, even they don't want to buy it, they don't go prepared because it's an impulse buying. So they just pick up few products and the basket goes for 2,000, 3,000 rupees. And they end up buying 6, 7, 8 products in that price range. Even a small tempered, I mean, everyone uses smartphone these days. They have to have tempers on their phone, expensive phone. We are selling in this beautiful packaging. And why I'm saying it's a value for money, it comes with not only with a temper, this comes with the cover as well of the phone, and we are selling it at only 59 rupees. So the kind of quality and the price, it's phenomenal what we are able to do it so far. And that is the reason, this is the USP of the brand. We say, look at the tempered again, this kind of quality, this kind of packaging. Look at the bottle. I mean, a small kid's bottles come with the technology itself. You can touch and you can just see the temperature, what temperature it is running inside the bottle. A price of 1,100, 1,200 rupees with 1 year replacement guarantee. And the biggest USP of the brand, I'm saying, with some kind of guarantee. Our 199 rupees cable for iPhone or for Type C or for your micro phone is only for 199 rupees, come with 6 months replacement guarantee. So if you see, we have designer products as well. A beautiful looking power bank. Who would not like to keep it on his table? This kind of power bank comes with 10,000 mAh for 2,400 or something. And also we have a regular power bank which comes for 999 rupees, again with 1 year replacement guarantee with 10,000 mAh. So, the variation is there because we take care of the designs. We have our own 75 factories and 17 factories with 75 designer in-house. And every day factory produces 2 new products, which is huge. Like in a month, we get 60 new products, So out of 60, we categorize around 20 to 25 products for India market and we bring them to India. So 20-25 products coming every month, brings a lot of footfall, because every time when you visit the store, there's something new to touch and feel. I mean, look at this product. I mean, everyone is working on health these days and they need it for their gym, their cycling, their running. It's a waterproof Bluetooth device, which connects you to music, your phone calls, video calls these days. And price is only 1,900. Power banks, look at the power banks quality and again 1 year replacement guarantee, I would say, on all the products. Look at the family power bank. So somebody wants to charge for less time, they can carry this. Somebody can carry this. Somebody in the house can carry this. So, it comes with such a great technology that there is something or other which is there in the product, which, differentiate us from the market completely. Look at this power bank. I mean, I don't see any lady who would not like to keep it in their bag. Only for 499 rupees, 2,400 mAh. It can charge your Apple phone at least one time for a day, which is you're done. Like, and you just need to carry it in your now bags. So bags, we got a entire range of bags come with price rupees or we have at least 30 to 40 designs in bag only. Look at this fancy party wear bag. We have regular college going bags as well with the leatherite. Apart from this, we understood that market is huge. I mean, if we go to the next slide, you'll understand what was the market. The market in 2018, as per Economic Time, was 22,000 crore, which was unorganized, which was selling from, I mean, if you're from Delhi, you'll understand Gafar market. If you're from Bombay, the Cho market, and there are plenty of market which have been selling Chinese product unorganized. There was no one in the market who could give guarantee you, and it's yours. Nobody used to care about it. Now, but by this brand, under one brand, we could really penetrate with the quality stuff, with the guarantee and the warranty on the product lines, and that's the reason everyone has accepted us in a very, very successful way. Next slide, please. Products. So this is the product line. I would love to showcase you physically. If by any chance we could, showcase you, you can have a touch and a feel of the products. These, look at the power bank, look at the bottles, look at the colors they comes in. They're all international colors, which you will not find in India usually. Look at the quality of the stuffed toy. You know, and we have at least 20 to 25 stuffed toys like this lying in the stores. We give the variety, we give the quality, we give the colors to the store. Next slide, please. Which really, bring in the customer. And now look at the designs of the store, how impactful they are to invite, how inviting they are. I mean, somebody who is just passing by would love to, just enter and see what is it all about. And this is what been getting the feedback from where we started from was Noida DLF Mall of India. Everybody used to pass by and they used to look, oh, there's something to look on. So this is a very attractive planogram. Next slide, please. Archana, you need to be quick because now the store picture would be there, and there's nothing much to say. Yeah. So this is, as I mentioned, this is most active brand. Yeah. Look at the stores. Just keep on going, Archana. Thank you. Some are Korea stores, some are from Thailand, some are from Canada, Europe. So all the teams come from, initially they used to come from Hong Kong and they used to train our team over here in India. Now travels are a little difficult. Train about the slide, I would like to little give you a brief about. So product innovation. If you see, every product come with something or other. It's just not a product. It will have some value to it. It's just not a bottle, So you can touch and you can just see the temperature. So this is an innovative what WK is able to grab. Tech enhancement, pricing. I've already mentioned we are very pocket friendly. I'll not say we are cheap, but we are very pocket friendly. The kind of quality what we are providing is phenomenal for that price. Product presentation. So as I mentioned, the products come in this kind of packaging. So there are 3 steps to it. One is the packaging, then the product design. If you see even inside the cables, if you see the cable quality and the design of the cable, you will understand there's some great mind have been put on that cable just to derive the product out of it. And then how we place it and really invite people, when we place them, when we do the virtual merchandising, we take care of these points. Yeah, next slides. India is big, we all know, and this is something which was really required for India market. I mean, we are just on 13 or 14%, no, 30 to 32% in today to 2022% of people who are using the smartphone. So there is a huge long way to go. Smartphone buyers are, everybody is aspiring for smartphone these days. And if you see, all are around smartphones. Next slide. Look at the products, guys. Just go through on the product categories. You will love them, I'm sure. And yeah, I'll share the link of the website as well, and you may visit the website sometime. Next slide. Yeah, so you are stores in India. Next, please. And if you see the on these all store can have a touch and a feel. Other competitive brands, they are packed, displayed at the store level, and you just need to buy. You can't touch them, you can't feel them, you can't play them. All the products you can just play them and then you can buy it if you like it. That's Lucknow. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Yeah, that's Ambience Mall, Delhi. So this is a new concept of interiors which Hong Kong team has designed for, or London team has designed. We have moved the headquarters to London now because there was a conflict going between China and Hong Kong. So they have moved the headquarters to London. So the new concept has arrived. You will love to showcase you. Next slide, please. So interiors, if you see, have got little change. We are more towards white. We are more towards designing of London. This is Guwahati, guys. One beautiful store. Now, the biggest achievement in 2021, I would say, is we are there now at Bangalore Airport. We are the only brand, proudly we are saying it, in lifestyle who are able to through airports. Not only Bangalore Airport, now I must tell you, we are coming up at Ahmedabad Airport, we are coming up at Lucknow, Jaipur, and Guwahati. Next slide. And we are doing really good numbers at airports. Even in lockdown, we were able to manage sales over there. Opportunities is, I mean, huge. And if you see from north to south, east to west, I think we have a plan of 200 outlets. We are just sitting on 14. I'm sure we can really make these numbers and we can create history out of this. Next slide. So we would like to hit every city of our country, India. Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, how many tiers there are, I don't know, but we would like to hit, because this is the aspiring for each and every one who's there in India and are not able to get these kind of products. Yeah, these are some upcoming stores. Kerala, Lulu Mall, we all know one of the biggest mall in India. Goa, Lucknow, first of we are coming. We're also coming, as I mentioned, the airports. Next slide. That's the mission, guys. 200 store by 2022. Of course, we all know Corona has hit the entire world badly, but this is a time to come back. I'm sure we all know there is a big opportunity lying for all of us, and together we can do it in a big way. Thanks, Archana. If you have got the video by any chance, you can play it. Otherwise, we can share it later, the video. Any questions, any feedback, anything you would like to ask, I would.
Yeah, so Gaurav, we have financial file also. Would you like to talk about financials also? Because that's very important.
Yeah, why not, please.
Sure, I'll just open the file.
Unmute. Okay, thank you. So guys, this is where we started from. Mall of India, around 705 feet of area we started. The best size of the store is 1,000 square feet. What we realized later on when we came to Ambience or Sunkunj or RD Mall in Gurgaon or at Airport Bangalore, all these stores are 1,000 plus square feet. So that's a right size, and these calculations are based on from the first store. So where super area is around 65% up, some malls takes 100% up, so it can be divided accordingly. So there is an infrastructure cost. So infrastructure cost is around 23-24 lakh rupees in totality, which comes, all the designs come from the London team, all the infrastructure, which includes your racks, your lighting, your flooring, your air conditioning, your wiring, your software, your hardwares, your everything, price tag to barcoding to everything in place. It costs around 23-24 lakh rupees. Equipments, cameras, RFIDs, all these things comes for 3 lakh rupees. This is, we can always ask our client that if they wish to buy it, we can give the specification and the standards. They can buy it from the open market. Of course, if they buy it from us, definitely, because we buy in bulk, so we get major discount from the brands, so we give the better pricing. But we're not here, what I'm trying to say, we are not here to make money out of this. About business promotion, so this is business promotion is the stocks what they need to keep. Now this is very, very important, because as a customer point of view, they ask 50,000 mein mere ko kya milega. So this is, this is depend on the on the store, on the location, on the city. And for the first time, we decide from the experience team that what all products and what all categories should go to that city or to that location or to that store. After that, we have a very smart software which is there at the store. We don't need human brains for it. The software is designed in a beautiful way that whatever goes down from the floor, it replenish it either the category wise or the ticket price wise, whatever is available. Franchisee fees, that we call it engagement fees, that is 6 lakh rupees. So over here, we try and pitch our client that this is something engagement fees for 5 years. And, in this, what brand gives you? Brand give you visibility, brand give you branding, marketing, social media, offline, online, any and every kind of marketing we provide for the launch, for the PRs, for, inviting your influencers, everything is involved in this. So the total setup cost comes around 75 to 80 lakh rupees, depending on the size and the store location. Then these are, if you go a little down, Archana, so these are some in-depth details. What is the interior cost? What is the rack cost? What is the air conditioning cost? What is the signage cost? What is the total, how we have derived these figures. What all is there in equipments, what all is there in stocks, launch. So that's it. And then we really, ask our client to have their at least deposit for 3 months in their accounts, which is what we have what we are trying to showcase here, for their HR, for their rental, for their gas, electricity, telephones, whatever. So that any point as we got hit with Corona, we should be prepared for that time as well. So there is another sheet, Archana, by chance, if you are having it, so which gives you in detail how we derive the ROIs.
So Gaurav, I have this sheet only.
No problem. Shiv, you must be having that. So probably later on you can share with the entire team of Franchise India. Yeah. And you can just give them the details. If anything, I'm absolutely open to come up with any kind of questions, any kind of.
Sure. So thank you so much, Gaurav, for taking us through the financial as well as business model. Now I will invite Prashant Bhandari, who is a Chief Operating Officer for Franchise India Brands Limited, to take all the queries. So thank you so much, Prashant, for joining in today from the management side of Franchise India. We are open for all the kinds of the queries from your side. Over to you.
All right, thank you, Archana, and thank you, Gaurav, and very good afternoon to Rohit ji and Shiv ji and everybody here, and welcome once again to Franchisee India webinar. First and foremost, before we start, I would just like to add and inform that this is a huge demand in the market today. You know what you are doing and what you're trying to do is have coming on from unorganized sector to organized sector. This is a huge opportunity, and I see a lot of people and a lot of brands coming into this part of the category, where we see a lot of unorganized sectors, or unorganized sectors coming into organized way. So congratulations, and I think we with this brand and in terms of the SUKs that you have, about 3,000 under one roof is a huge task, and I must appreciate that and comment on the achievement that you have. Not many brands today. I would only name few brands like Reliance or maybe Tata Chroma would have 3,000 SKUs under one roof. So congratulations once again. And with this, I would just like to add that there's a huge demand in the market on such products. And rightly said by Gaurav that about 50 to 55% of the Indian population is young now, and they have the aspiration to hold something nice or to hold something branded, as to say. So people are looking for aspiration, and this is one product, and this is one company which is giving you the brands, the accessories that you need. Plus, also you will have a 1 year guarantee warranty. So as I said earlier, coming from unorganized sector to organized sector plus 1 year guarantee is a huge thing for any consumer to take the accessories that you have. So thanks Gaurav and Rohit for getting the brand to India. And to start with, I have one question, which what are those three things that you're looking at from a partner point of view? What are those three key things that you look at partner or choosing a partner for your company or for your brand? Gaurav?
So we are not looking only for partners. We are looking for entrepreneurs who really want to, come up and prove something for the prove to industry or prove to himself. Not just somebody who is flaunting money or who is having money and just want to invest on any brand who is. So we are not asking somebody to take money on interest or on loan kind of thing, that you put up money and we'll give you return. No, somebody who really wants understand the, who has the passion for these kind of product line, who has the interest line, because he has the interest, he's looking at the numbers, or he's just looking on the figures. What he's home is not something which we encourage. We're looking for somebody, if you in India, who has not opened a company store. Our all store are franchisee store, and we really, go a little deep to ensure with whom we are joining the hands. So we are looking somebody who's, young and entrepreneur, and this is one thing which is very important. Second, who has the vision like what we have for the brand, who comes, because millennium, as we talk about, as you mentioned, 50 to 55% of the generation is millennium, who takes them along, who takes them that from one store he can open 5 store, 10 store, 15 store, who is not confined to just one store, that I was just going through one of the presentation, if you were part of it the other day. So like Chicago Pizza, they were claiming that they have a franchise partner who has at least 3 to 4 outlets, only with one entrepreneur or one, because they also figured out only entrepreneurs. They did not wanted investor just to put. So these are two factors which, Prashant, we would like to.
Also, Prashant, like to add something over here.
Sure.
So, I'll give you an example of our Mall for India franchisee. So what happened, they opened our first store, right? And within 6 months, they reached back to us and they wanted to open 2 more stores. So we are looking for people like that, who believes in the brand. Before us, what used to happen, people used to follow dealer and distributor model, right? and where company is always pushing you for heavy stocks, right? In our case, we don't let our franchisee invest in the stocks apart from the stocks which are lying on the stores, right? So it's a completely cash flow business. So we want our franchisee to make money and make more and more stores and more chain stores. They can be our master franchisees for our say different cities or different areas, different regions also. So we are looking for, that's what Gaurav mentioned, that we are looking for entrepreneurs, not just the investors who are looking for opportunity for his son or just for some returns. But our stores are self-operational, same like H&M, Zara. We don't want our franchisee uh, has to be, actively participating in the everyday operations. They can be part of it. We always welcome them, but they can sit at home and they can take care of everything through their systems.
Thank you, Rohit. Couple of the questions which are coming in are from Vijayawada, which is where are these stores located in India? So which states are these stores located in India?
Okay, as I mentioned, we're there in Delhi, we're there in UP, we're there in Haryana, like Gurgaon, we're there in Lucknow, we're there in Rajasthan, Jaipur. If you talk about the state, we are there in Hyderabad, we are there in Bangalore, we're there in Guwahati so far.
So quite a good spread in terms of covering India.
Demographics, yes.
Yeah. So now the intent is to kind of move to tier 1, tier 2 cities, wherein you have the right audience, and as you say, the aspiration level is high on those tier 1, tier 2 cities. I think that's the right model, and that's the right approach that you have. There is another gentleman, Ravinder Singh. He's asking to enlarge the financial sheet. Mr. Ravinder Singh ji, I would request Franchisee India will be in touch with you, and we shall share the financial sheet or the ROI model that Gaurav has shared in the webinar. Okay, and
very quickly on investment, Prashantji, on investment point of view, I can quickly tell you, because there'll be these questions coming to our franchise partners that what is the exact investment on the stocks, what is the exact investments on the interiors. So we usually take it ball figure of 8,000 rupees per square foot, where 6,000 rupees per square foot, which is excluding the taxes, is your stock investment in your store, and around 2,000 is your interior and all the setup costs. So your store size can vary from 700 to 1,200 square foot.
This is over and above the investment on the stocks. Is that correct?
No, this is the, I'm saying 8,000 rupees is the total investment.
Okay.
Per square foot.
All right.
Right, where the 6,000 rupees per square foot is the stock investment, where we in the stock, and around 2,000 square foot is the investment in the interiors, which goes down when we go on the high street, because 2,000 rupees we taken as per the mall's guidelines, where working in the malls are a bit expensive than working on the high streets.
All right. And audience, I would just like
also
to say,
there'll be a few questions more. I like to add a few things, like we'll be introducing almost 30% by December, about to launch our personal care range, which will be 200 plus. You're right from your, can I have one or two samples? So all the samplings are going on. So really high quality products, your personal, right from your shower gel to your nail paints, your personal balms, your creams, shampoos, everything will be launched by end of before December. We starting products from end of this month, and our new range of perfumes which are coming from UAE, which should also get launched by November too. So what we doing, basically, me and Gaurav always been traveling, and we used to see this, that there's so many amazing products which are available all over the globe, but they're never coming to India. We always used to wonder this, and that's the passion, came from inside, why not let's take this brand to India. And we got strong. We got very amazing response from the market, and we are leaving the strongest footprint because our product comes with straight guarantees. None of our competitor gives you guarantee on even single product. In fact, we are manufacturers for many of the brands, right, which we can't mention because of non-disclosure agreements, right? And we open 1,000 square foot store maximum, right, or 1,200 square foot. When we talk about our competitors, people consider the competitor. In fact, they are creating a ground for us. When people buy a affordable product or low quality product, then he tends to buy a next high quality, little expensive product. So because they understand what level of quality they buy. So our products are thrown out of fashion. They never goes bad. So with our 1,000-1,200 square foot, we are doing better numbers per square foot wise than any of our competitors or many of the bigger concepts in India, where they take like 3,000 plus square foot stores, where the operational and we have almost also we got covered with business standard. We became India most preferred gadget brand by women, because all over before us, no one was doing products with colors and specially made with gadgets. Your sisters, our sisters, our family women are using more gadgets than us today. And we and with another category we like to talk about, we are always next to a very famous sunglass and glasses store in most of the malls. But we sell more sunglasses because our sunglasses are way more designer and way more high quality than other brands. So these are the few things, and we have almost 30 to 40% repeat customer, regular repeated customer. That's the study done by even Franchise India with us.
Thank you, Rohit. My next question is based on the Anup Gupta, who's asked, please share ROI. So he's basically asking, what is how soon can he expect or one can expect in terms of return on investment, and also there's another question related to is on what is do we have models in terms of investment level, or do we have just one model which is 79 lakhs to start with?
Yeah, I think I've already answered Anup because he was texting the messages. So I've checked that, and I've I can say again, though they depend on 18 to 24 months. This is the timeline what we believe in on break evens. And if you ask about the ROI, so we give 65. There is a scope of 65 to 70%, which we'll just share the sheet also with you. Shiv can share the sheet to whomsoever is interested. Yeah.
And what will be once the franchisee comes into your umbrella, what is the marketing support? What is the support that you will be offering or handholding the franchisee for to start the business?
Shant, were not really audible.
Okay, so my question was, what will be the marketing support, or what will be the support that you will be putting into the new franchisees who will be coming into with your brand?
As I mentioned, with the 6 lakh off in a bigger format and 2.5 lakh in a smaller format, charging as an invest on the itself on of marketing, which is online, offline, your influence on the launch. So this is what we reinvest. If you want bifurcations with the numbers, we can always do that too.
Okay. And another question has come from Mr. Javed Khan. He's asking, what is the average sales in your existing stores, or average sales which is happening in your stores?
Very good and interesting question. So cost margins. All right. Gross margin, we have two categories of product. One is lifestyle and one is electronics. So the margins differ from 32% to 50%. The lifestyle have a little bigger margins, around 50%, and electronics have 32 to 40%. So average out is 42% gross margin, what we shared with our partners.
So another question has come from Mr. Javed Khan. What is the average sales in existing stores?
So this depends on the store to store. If you ask, I take a latest example of Bangalore airport. They are doing a sale of approximately on an average of 1 lakh rupees a day, which is 30 lakh rupees. So 30 lakh rupees, if I take 40%, 2% margin is 12 lakh something, some thousands. So the expense is around, if I'm not wrong, 5.5 lakh rupees on that particular store. If you talk about Noida, this has different numbers. Noida, we are doing around 12 to 13 lakh rupees after this hit of Corona. So, which has a expense of operation expense of 3.5 to 4 lakh rupees right now, because the rentals have reduced to 50% and the camp charges have reduced to 50% somewhere.
And is there, so Mr. Rajneesh Agarwal, he's asking, what happens if the stocks are not sold? Do you replace or do you upgrade?
I was eagerly waiting for this question. So we don't push stocks, one, which Rohit has already mentioned. Second, we don't give any debt to our partners. Anything which is not selling, the software are so smartly designed that anything which is not selling at one particular store, like what we experience in Guwahati, white color doesn't sell on any of the electronic product. So we lift that white color from that. There is a age shelf on all the products from 1 month to 3 months to 4 months. If in that period something is not selling to the level of what we want to achieve, we lift that product and we replace the product line and we push that product to another store which is on high selling of that particular product. So there's nothing which is dead for you as a partner. Is it? I was audible, Prashantji?
Yeah, Anji. So you're saying that you kind of ensure that if the stocks are not selling in one of the stores, then you ensure that you replace that stock and give it to some other store wherein that stock is selling or that color is selling on that product. Is that correct?
Absolutely. Absolutely. This.
And how do we, so the very interesting question, Gaurav, is how do we compete with the online sales today happening on the electronics or any other product today?
Okay. See, online is growing, no doubt about it. And online is huge. Market is like, I mean, we are not even 10 to 12% sitting right now. So now about the competition. Competition comes with, I mean, you can compare apple to apple. So to compare that, you need to have a touch and feel of the product. I mean, in India, we have this tendency. We, even if we're buying a water bottle, we just try to see the, the date of manufacture and before opening the bottle. Anything until we touch and feel, we generally don't buy. Uh, Online is no doubt growing, but there is no competition to online because they don't give you, one is replacement guarantee on the product line, which is very, very important. Second, you need to experience the packaging of the product. This product is very useful. Also, when you want to gift it millennium, your dear ones, so you want to really, you want to be very, very particular about it. So you want to really touch and feel the product. So that's really differentiate us for the.
Prashantji, I'll add something here. So, as Gaurav already mentioned, that we only have 32% of the population using the smartphone till now. And we have 130 crore population, which is still, of which 32% is using the smartphone and of which only 22% is doing online shopping. So we have a huge population which is roaming in the mall. And of course, before Corona, even we were not present on online. But now we are present online. It actually increased almost 25% footfall in our stores because our products come with an amazing touch and feel experience. So, and people, when they see online, when they're walking on the mall, they recognize us, they go, they have a touch and feel, they try the product. And that's how we are killing it.
All right. Thank you. And how does the warranty claim process? One question coming in from Mr. Anup.
Yeah, from Mr. Gupta. I can see that. So it's very, very simple. We have kept it very simple. There is a call center number, toll-free number. They need to call them up. They need to tell from which store they have bought the product. They have to share the bill. And bill is also simple. We kept it on mail. We kept it on SMS, not the print copy. They need to carry it for all long. And they can just tell us from this is the invoice number, and they need to our team is there who will ensure that this is under warranty and guarantee, and they replace it to their doorstep. They don't even have to go to the store to get it replaced. So it's very simple.
Okay. Adi, product, one question has come from Vijay Bada. He looks very interesting in your brand. Is there any different pricing in terms of tier 1, tier 2 cities, or is it prices are same?
No, absolutely no. Absolutely no. There's only one market which is there for entire India, and it's a doorstep price what we are sharing to our partners. I mean, from JNK to Kanyakumari, from east to west.
Okay,
Yeah,
great.
but we have different categories. In one category, we have different kind of product range. As I mentioned with the power bank, we have like 450 rupees also, and we have same 10,000 mAh for 2400 as well. So price range is different, but MRP is absolutely same.
Sure. I think one nice statement which has come from Mr. Sandeep Ji. He's our partner. He says online is flourishing, and the only reason why they're flourishing is because you don't have organized store nearby. And I think that's the answer that you are trying to get into in India, and you're trying to build in the stores that under one roof you have 3,000 SUKs with warranty and a premium product, and then therefore you will have much better sales, and you'll have much better walk-ins into your stores, and therefore you'll have much better sales.
Also, in India is a country of gifting. We have so many festivals going on. We don't look for a reason to gift and to receive gifts, and where we perfectly fit in because of the huge range of product line, and which comes from in every category, from affordable to the designer range. So there also we are getting a big push in the sales.
All right. So that's it. All the questions, I think we have kind of taken all the questions from the investors. Last question, I think we can just take this. Do you have a website where all product is kind of displayed and all that? And that's the last question that we have today.
As I mentioned, there is a lot of, every 15 days we get around 15 to 20 new products. So it's difficult to be available online with all the product range. Of course, we have a website called wklive.in. You can go through the website, but I'm afraid to say that you will not be able to find the entire product range. 50 to 60% definitely you can have a feel of it.
Okay, thank you so much, Gaurav ji. Thank you so much, Rohit, Shiv ji. Archana, over to you. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Prashant. But before we say final goodbye, we want to play a beautiful video on WK Live. So just allow us to play the video for all of you.
Thank you, Archana.
So thank you so much, Gaurav. Thank you so much, Rohit. Thank you, Chef. Thank you, Prashant, for taking us through the entire presentation as well as the business model of this great brand. We look forward to have interaction with all our investors. And for our investors, we have kept 21st of September as a Discovery Day. Discovery Day is the day where you can have a chance to meet, to have one-to-one interaction with the entire team of WK Live. So please book your slot with us. If you want to understand more about financials, more about a business model, you can book your slot at our business hotline number, which is 9717683838. The sales team of Franchise India will book your slot with respective team members from WK Live. Also share your suggestion, feedback at different social handles. We are available at Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, as well as Twitter. You want guidance, more inputs, more suggestions, more business ideas from the management team of Franchise India, it's very easy to get it. Just connect with them at the LinkedIn platform. I have shared the LinkedIn IDs for Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am. Please join them. And tomorrow, under our Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series, 12 p.m. webinar, we are inviting you to join us for the journey of Static. They are the largest EV charging network. It's a new revolution idea they have bringing in market. So please don't miss this chance. Do registration right now, either at our business hotline number, which is 9717683838, or you can write to us at feedback@franchiseindia.in, or go to Facebook page where we have shared the registration link. Look forward to have you tomorrow in our another exciting episode of Business Opportunity with Chai. Thank you so much once again for joining in today. Have a very safe day. Thank you so much. Thanks, everyone.